Hi, you guys, it's Melanie, and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I am going to cover some of my favorite tried and true centerpieces and decor that I have been using for weddings and events. As an event decorator and designer, I've always find myself adding to my inventory, trying to keep up with trends, yet trying to give my existing inventory a fresh and new and exciting look. So, in today's video, I'm going to share with you a few of my top 25 must have decor pieces for weddings and events. And then I'm going to link down in the description box below an Amazon Live where I kind of cover these particular items in detail. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And if you aren't already following me, I would love for you to follow me at every platform at Living Luxuriously for Less. I typically go live on Amazon every Tuesday and Thursday at 7 o'clock p.m. So if you're not already a part of the Lux for Less family, I would love to have you. Again, I'm going to link down below the 25 gold must have centerpieces so that you can check them out step by step. Make sure that when you're watching our live, you unmute. And again, you can connect with me on all platforms at Living Luxuriously for Less. So without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, when you are choosing centerpieces, you want centerpieces that are versatile enough to use at different events and take on a unique look or theme at every event. Now, this swirl centerpiece is one of my absolute favorites. I'm going to show it to you guys. I've used it at a wedding with just greenery, and then I used it at a wedding that was completely over the top. And each wedding was different from the other. Let me show you. So here is the gold centerpiece with the greenery on top of it. You can barely see the top, you can see the swirl, and you can see the base. So I wanted you guys to take a really good look at this particular centerpiece and what it looked like at that wedding. Now, let's take a look at this particular wedding where it was absolutely the same centerpieces. Let me open this all the way up so you guys can see that. Look at how gorgeous those centerpieces are. You can also see the taller version of them at the top with the bling hanging down. But you guys, these were absolutely gorgeous, and it's used in two different spaces, but they don't look anything alike. And that's what you really want to focus in on when you are choosing your centerpieces. Next up are these metal gold boxes. I love these because they really can elevate a centerpiece. It makes it look a lot bigger than it actually is. And believe it or not, you guys, the centerpiece that's inside of that box is this little centerpiece right here. But the greenery on top makes it look so much bigger, and then the box elevates it even more. And here is yet another example of those gold boxes being used again. You guys probably remember my niece's graduation party where we transformed the garage into something absolutely stunning. But you see, two different events. One of them was a graduation party. The other one was a wedding, but they both look totally different from the other. This is exactly what I'm talking about by being able to use the same exact pieces over and over again, but giving them a different look. Okay, and I want to give you guys some other examples of outstanding centerpieces that you can use over and over again, but not lose that uniqueness to each event. Let's start with the first one. And you guys probably remember this recently from my godmother's wedding. I have a complete video on this, but I used the chandelier centerpieces here. But not only did I use them here, I also used them at a wedding where it was more of a Christmas theme, you guys probably remember. And I used emerald green tablecloths with that as well. I have also used the triangular centerpieces with this gold shimmer wall. I absolutely loved it. I used it for my father-in-law's birthday party, and I used the triangular centerpieces here, and I thought that they looked amazing. I didn't add anything to them because I felt like, they just did all of the talking by themselves. So that was one beautiful thing that I absolutely loved about that particular event. But I was able to take those and use them at a totally different event, and you would not believe that they were the same exact event. So let me show you guys how I used them most recently with a green. It was a green event, and I want to show you guys it was absolutely gorgeous. But you would never in a million years think that this was the exact same event. Although the centerpieces were the exact same, you can definitely change other elements for the event and give it a completely, totally different look. So remember the gold triangles? Let me show you guys this. Same triangles, different event. I added some floral runners. I put 3 of them on a table, lined the tables. It turned out absolutely fabulous. Now, I don't want to give too much of this design away because I have more coming to you very soon, but I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to change your centerpieces every single time. If you buy statement pieces that are very, very versatile, you can just change up your design and use these pieces over and over again. That's why it's so important to invest in quality statement workhorse pieces that you can use time and time again, pieces that are tried and pieces that are true. So let me show you guys another crystal centerpiece. Again, I used this at Mama Bev's wedding, but this was at a Christmas wedding, and I add florals at the bottom, giving it a totally and completely different look. And I absolutely love the way that it turned out. The florals at the bottom definitely elevated the centerpiece, but again, it's a statement piece that you can use time and time again that will not let you down. I've also seen florals added on the sides. I've seen florals added on the top. I've seen florals added on the bottom. There are so many ways that you can do this to make the centerpiece extremely versatile and definitely take it to the next level. Another thing that's becoming extremely popular this year are chandeliers. They are using them in backdrops. They're using them like you see here in a backdrop. They're also using them over tables, down the aisle. Chandeliers are everywhere and they are all the rave. I recently found these and I will link them down below, but you guys are going to absolutely love these, and they are definitely a gem for all of your event and wedding designs, and it definitely helps to up level or to level up your backdrops, your tables, your statement pieces, and stage setters. They definitely just kind of add a different type of, elegance and ambiance to your overall design. When I saw this centerpiece, you guys, this was love at first sight. And I scoured the internet looking for this piece and I finally found it. I'm going to link it down below, but you guys, it definitely is, it elevates your weddings and your events to the next level. I am in love with it and I cannot wait to share with you guys the final design. In love, chef kiss. You guys, definitely it's going to do what it needs to do. Another staple centerpiece are these gorgeous hourglass centerpieces. I've had them for such a long time, but you guys, they are still in for me. I absolutely love them. You just put the florals on the top and it just definitely takes your design to the next level. And finally, when I saw these metal centerpieces, it was love at first sight. When I found the original creator of them, I was like, okay, that's a little bit outside of my budget, but y'all know me. I found a Luxe for Less version and I absolutely love it. And again, I'm going to link them all down below. I only covered a few of them in today's video, but I have so much more to share with you. And all you have to do is look in my first pinned comment or in my description box and you will find the complete link to everything that I've shared with you in today's video. I would love to welcome you all to join me for Luxe Academy. It is my online school where I share with you step by step how to start your event planning business. Everything you need to know from A to Z, I share it in this course. I teach both online and in person. And if you visit my website at www.luxeacademy.online, and I will link that down below as well, you can find my curriculum for the entire year. For my in-person classes, and you can also start the online classes at any time. It's self-paced, so you can start and finish them whenever whatever works best for your schedule. So that is a great thing about it being self-paced. So, and I do meet with you all monthly, whether you're in my online classes or in person. I do have a live meeting once a month where you're able to ask questions, and I help you to get unstuck with any issues that you may be having with the actual course, or if it's in your business, if you are stuck on what to charge or how to handle a client, or if it's a design question, I am completely open. I have my office hours set aside to be able to connect with you all in this way. Also, if you would like to know more things, or if Lux Academy is not the right thing for you right now, or if you'd like to continue your education, if you've already completed Lux Academy, I now have channel memberships where you can join. I have 3 different tiers, and I offer different things for each tier, and I've been really uploading some exciting content over there. So I will also link my channel memberships link down below as well, so that you can check it out. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.